Hi guys, and welcome back to another instalment of Kit Car Direct and MK Sports Cars. We're just going to show you today a quick run around the S2000 car. You've probably seen that project running for the last sort of few months, and we're doing that engine conversion and a few other modifications that the customer wanted. So now I'll give you a short video clip outside in the sunshine where the car is. So here we are outside with the S2000 car, the project you've seen for the last couple of months now that's been running long, or a bit longer than a couple of months. Quite a bit of work done to this vehicle. As you see, the main conversion was putting in the Honda 2-litre F20C engine, stock about 240 horsepower. It's been modified, custom manifold, custom lead pipe, CPE one-off exhaust system, very nice, quiet, full cage, 50mm cage on here. The interior's very nice. We've got our branded MK gauges, all billet aluminium switches, gear knob, etc. John's interior in this one is something out of a Rover, we think, actually, a Rover 200 or something, so it actually looks quite clean and tidy. In there, he's got a 14-inch mirror in there, long acre style. We've got rear diffuser, a full LED light pack, changed because the other one, standard H bulbs, was catching the tyres actually. So that's how the rear diffuser looks, if most people do ask us that question. He's got simple LED now number plate lights rather than the big bulky one. He's got his 4-inch harnesses, 2-inch harnesses, and aftermarket wheels. Looks like a Millionite replica with the Nankang and SRs on it. Meant to be a pretty decent road tyre there actually as well. So standard rear brakes, and then when you come to the front, you're just about peeking through the front there. There you got the wheelwoods. It's been upgraded, solid discs on there as well. Protex all round. Engine bay's pretty clean. It's like a brand new car really now. Just the oil cap to put on in the second one of the check the fluid levels so you can get back to the customer. See, there it is, finally finished. Super killer car, drives really nice. One other thing was inside. We'll quickly show you if we can get down in the tunnel. There was floor mounted OBP motor box, really nice, and works well for feet positioning as well. So there we go, we give you the final shot, final look. Happy Easter guys, and keep safe.